I'm Captain Clown. Welcome back to Pizza Tower. Pig City. It's the Noid. He exists in this town? Do we play as the Noid? Whoa. Oh, that's just a civilian. Hey, smoking is bad for your... Oh, I'm... Okay. Holy crap, it's Pig Elvis. And Pig Generic Rapper. And a dead pizza guy. Oh. No bacon. No, I thought that that's smoking. Whoa, what the... Oh, I'm illegal. Italians are illegal in New York. You'll never hold me, copper. I mean, it looked like he was going to for a second there. But I'll never be held. No prison can hold me. That was it. Okay. That was the same taxi a second ago. Youch. Oh, you can, like, slide. I like that you keep... You went for the floor. Pig. Get the joke, because he's a cop. Alright. I'm confused. Oh! It's just a treadmill. Youch. It's eye time. That was kind of fun, actually. I like that. Cheesy. Did you guys see that? Just a complete tone cut. Just no more fast. Get it out. Alright, away we go. That's kind of funny that there's just like regular people in here. Okay, I'm trying to... There we are. Off to get, sausage. Order? The one no one cares about. No police are gonna break my momentum. The cops can't handle this amount of style, honestly. It's pretty sad. Oh, wow, that one had a gun. Oh, boom. Super speedy stuff. Ah, you thought you were safe. Oh no, the tomato, I forgot about him. Wait, this is the police! No, no! They're mad at me! Oh, it's, I never did the toss. This is like a doctor, and he's the rat, that's funny. I much prefer Peppino, I must say. Is that a shrimp? That doesn't go on a pizza. That's disgusting. And I put mayonnaise on my pizza. Rat on a rat. Oh, now he's... Oh, that's kind of funny. Bam. I like that the power-ups interact differently with each other. It's kind of cool. Monkey bars. Cheesy. Gus doesn't get fast. Gus just kind of gets screwed over. Yeah, no, you just end up as this weird little thing. Wow, you really gotta kill all momentum in this game. I can't wait to accidentally murder John Pillar. Because the game wasn't gonna tell me I was about to murder John Pillar. In fact, it's right over here, isn't it? Off we go. The police took my rat! Can't have anything in Pig City. Oh, I forgot you can employ. How did you do it again? It's kind of hard to do. Alright, I play as Gustavo for like 2 levels. Cut me some slack, guys. The coppers! Pigs took my rat. I'm trying to think of a... like... term for like mouse or rat that began with P, so it could be in some alliteration there, but no, none came to mind, unfortunately, no matter how much I love alliteration. But, now we need to get the pineapple, it's the best one. They forgot the sausage. But who cares about the sausage? Captain Lyle sure doesn't. Hello, random citizen. Goodbye, random citizen. Ow, that's not breakable. That man has a gun. Alright. Oh, we just broke into his house. I feel kind of bad about this one. Sorry, John. Look at him, he's got... I bet you that, since we've got a moment to talk here, every time you kill John, since he's a pillar, he's like a load bearing. And, like... you destroy the pizza tower by breaking its foundation. That's why there's, like, timers in the lobbies. Because you got to escape the pizza tower as it crumbles. That's the captain's prediction. The captain kind of sucked playing with what's-his-name, Gus. Thank you, Mr. Stick. Because Gus isn't here to guide us. We are Gus. A terrible curse. If I've ever seen one. Being Gus. I'm sorry, Gus. I didn't mean that. Actually, I kind of did. Peppino. That guy. The taxi cab. That's the guy. The main villain. Thank you. All the pigs are dying. Peppino, what did you do? You killed the load-bearing John, is what you did. Why'd you go and do that, Peppino? Just to save your dying pizza business? Little greedy. I have to say. You know, and I'm not gonna argue with a guy who can do that. Pizza time. Yeah, okay, well, whatever. Oh. Sausage is forgotten. No one likes him. Don't put sausage on your pizza. It's gross. What is this? Oh, just go back to the Noid. Why would you want to? And why was the Noid in, whoa. Sale. Fork over cash. That's too much money, Mr. Stick. You don't have enough for a vacation. Calm down, Mr. Stick. Alright, off we go to Arctic Land. Refrigerator, refrigerator, freezerator. Cold. Peppino's going to get sick, and then get leukemia. Wait, no, not leukemia. Pneumonia. How did I mix those two up? Those are very different. He's cold. Warm him up by mile driving him into hell. I lived. Shut up. Checkpoint. Curses. Why is there a checkpoint there? There's quite a bit of running. Oh. Darn diggity darn it, we got a D tier. Hello, Gus. Not right now. Punk, you messed up my score. I got a C after it's better than a D. I'm a fool. Whoa. Is that a jetpack? It's an ice pack, or like a hot water bottle. Cures Peppino with his cold. And my mother of hers, because she keeps freaking asking me to make her some. It takes a while. It is somewhat convenient. But whatever. Hang on, there's a secret that the eye is holding. We just gotta go over here. No big deal. Ow! What the? How could video games betray their mechanics? Like, oh, come on. Okay, this is just embarrassing now. In we go. Wow, this is fast. Punks! Now it's getting hot in here. Off to, wherever the hell this place is. I just noticed, is Peppino eating those? I mean, if you move that fast, you gotta have, like, a high metabolism. Like The Flash and some shows, some iterations think about it like, hey, if Flash can move as fast as light, he probably has to eat a lot. Which, good on those shows for making realism. However, realism can be ignored if it is fun. That's electricity. Which isn't fun most of the time. However, it's very important. You know, I'm now noticing... Okay. You can probably pinpoint the times that I have no idea what the hell I'm talking about, or even what to talk about, by paying attention to the dialogue. Because what am I even going on about? Something about how the Flash... he needs to eat a lot to be able to run? What is this crap? This is not very good commentary, I'll tell you what it is. And why is this... Whoa, what's with the music? Why is it all kicking up so much? It's Santa! Is Santa evil like in Futurama? Yes, he is! He's giving me a pain in the butt for a gift. I'd rather just coal. Put the coal right between my eyes. Yeah, I said it before, and I've said it like for so many episodes. This music's got really good, this game has really good music. Once again, Captain Vile, could you cut that out, please? Thank you. And pineapple. Oh, it's the sausage everyone forgets about. Oh, I think we're meant to use him as like a... Oh well. Okay. Well, that sure sucks for Peppino, doesn't it? Pineapple. Oh yeah, got them all. Okay, it's full of the frickin' the snowmen guys who suck. Where's John Pillar? Let's get out of here. His name's like Gutter, right? So I've been saying it wrong the whole time. He probably hates me. I've also murdered him several times. Satan's choice of pizza. Oh, I can just fly now. Peppino, you're not really doing anything. Oh, there we go. It's getting hot in here. Okay, punks, you get to know what it feels like now. Now the music's kicking up, too. This level's pretty rad. Oh, here we go. Oh! Doesn't feel nice, does it? Hello, Santa. Goodbye, Santa. Get over here, old man. Give me a goddamn Xbox. I'm gonna give you a concussion. Nice job. Thank you. I love validation. It'd be kind of strange if you didn't. Since that, you know, people need that kind of evil combo. Well, I am Captain Vile after all. Oh, Mother Mary, why? Now, see, children, I don't really think that was entirely fair. Fly, Peppino, fly! Gus is frozen dead. Unclean. That's also true about Captain Vile. Unfortunately. No, wrong way, Peppino. Don't die. Disturbing. Another true thing about Captain Vile. Man, this game is really just laying all the Captain Vile facts. So did I need the... I'm probably making this way easier. I don't need any of this. I've just artificially boosted my score. Because I'm a cheater. Get out of here, Santa. Little rat. Oh, one combo. My combo died. Unlike Captain Vile. One thing they got wrong. Because unlike what the government might want you to think, Captain Vile is not dead. Gus is dead, apparently. Gus didn't make it out. However, Gus is not me, so it's not really our problem. Why would I want to go that way? When the exit is this way? Holy crap, Peppino is moving! Away from you guys. I got red clothes. Oh yeah, A tier. There's a nice music string. The music for how you do increases. See Mr. Stick. Well, first I'd like to go see if where is that one pizza lady who tells me if I did a good job. Obscure technique. While doing a dive in the air, press down. You will directly go downward in a body slam. Only useful if you want to save time. Okay. We got something about gears. I love gears. You must be this tall. Okay, just hold that pose, Peppino. And we'll do this next episode. I just want to get there, save us up some time, you know. Hello, distinguished. Oh, hello, Noid. You seem very annoyed. I'm so funny. Anyway, thank you for watching. Goodbye.